What's up guys, my name is Nigam and welcome again to our channel Journey to Freedom, where you can follow along on our journey to financial freedom through the worlds of Shopify and dropshipping. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time we put out a brand new video like this one. And today we're going to be talking about how you can come out of this quarantine an e-com millionaire, and the 4 things that you need to be focusing on right now to make that a reality. So let's get right into it. First point that you need to be focusing on in this current environment, in this downtime, especially if you're having some, you need to be focusing on product funnels. Okay, what do we mean by that? Now, this is a snapshot of our 2-month sales volume near the end of 2019 in Q4. October and November, 2 months, we did $385,000 in sales. Now, I'm showing you this mainly to highlight our average order value in those 2 months was $48. Now that may not seem very high, but the key thing is the upfront product that we were selling at that time was actually a sub $25 product. And despite that, our average order value was close to $50. Now that is what I mean by you need to focus on product funnels, okay? Don't focus on just the upfront sale, the one-time sale that is happening. That's important. You definitely need to have an effective hook product that gets a customer into the store and into your website. But that should not be the focus and entire focus of your business. You need to be focusing on products that you are able to upsell with, cross-sell with, and downsell with, right? Because that is what will then allow people to buy more and more products from you because they've bought the first item as well, right? Simple example is, hey, if you're buying a pen, why don't you buy an ink refill with it? If you're buying a shoe, hey, maybe buy a shoe insole with it to make it even more comfortable, right? So very, very simple examples of a complementary product set. So whenever you're doing product research, you need to have that hat on. That's where you're constantly thinking about what can I sell along with this product, right? Don't just think of it as a one-time sell. Think of what else can be sold with it, and if it's a convincing enough proposition for a potential customer. So that is what will really help you to increase and bump up that average order value, because ultimately, when a customer comes to your website, you have already paid a fixed amount of marketing dollars to get them there. So it is in your interest to make sure that they are spending as much as possible on average on that store once they are on the store. Because everything that they spend, if you had a fixed expense of $20 per customer to get them on your website, and if you sell them on average $50, you have a margin of $30 excluding cost of goods. If you are able to upsell them into $80 worth of products, then that extra $30 is pure profit for you, because you have a fixed cost of marketing and you have a fixed cost of goods based on what's sold. So really, it's very much in your interest, and the key to long-term success is focusing on product funnels that can help to increase your average order value. That's point number 1. Hope you're finding value in the content so far, guys, and if you are, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time that we put out a brand new video. And make sure you stay till the end of this one to catch all the content, and comment below on what you like and what you'd like to hear about. Stay with us. Point number 2, focus on repeat customers, okay? And again, not just the first time sale. There's a marketing term called lifetime value of a customer. Now, this is very key for large brands. They don't look at the first sale and quantify a customer's value based on the first sale that they make. No, they will define very accurately what the lifetime value of their customer is and how much they can afford to spend in marketing to acquire this customer. So that is what you need to do, and focus on repeat customers coming back because they had a good experience, okay? Now, the steps to do that more is, first of all, you need to set up your email marketing. Okay, you need to set up email marketing to get long-term success in your dropshipping business. You need to set up very basic abandoned cart flows as a starting point. That's a no-brainer. If you are not having abandoned cart email flows, you're leaving money on the table, okay? Abandoned cart flows, number one. Second, create customer reacquisition flows, where customers who have not bought from you for quite some time are shown offers and saying, hey, we miss you, you've not been on our store for 3 months or 2 months. Come back and shop with us, here's a discount. So that's an example of a customer reacquisition flow. Marketing campaigns. So these are individualized sale campaigns, which could be occasion related, Boxing Day email campaigns. So these three are some of the basic email marketing campaigns that you can implement in the current environment, especially if you have not too much else going on, because this is a great way to set yourself up for long-term success once the markets come back, once purchasing power comes back, and once you start to scale up your store again. Set up your text and SMS marketing systems. Again, that's another way to reach out to your customers after the purchase, to get feedback, to offer them discounts, to get the repeat business. Set up Facebook Messenger marketing, right? Messenger flows are, again, very powerful. They have very high open rates. Text marketing and messenger marketing both have insanely high customer rates and open rates compared to email marketing. So make sure you use the current time to learn about these if you don't know about them, and set them up. Put in that one-time effort to set up these systems, because they will serve your business for a long time and bring you part of the way to the goal of becoming an e-com millionaire. Third, focus on customer service, right? Shipping delays will be inevitable in the current environment, but the good service that you provide, the customer service that you provide, can be very, very important, especially in the current times. So you make sure that you are empathetic. Come up with templates. Use the time currently to develop customer service templates that can be utilized by yourself or virtual assistants that you hire down the road for your business that can, again, create a system that can be followed to make sure that your customer service standards are maintained. Now, if you know, Facebook has been surveying customers who are buying from Facebook ads on the feedback, right? And all of that feedback goes into a customer feedback score. Our store at one point last year had a 4.9 customer feedback score. Currently, it's hovering on 4.0, so it's still decent. But how do you achieve that? That's entirely through customer service, and of course, making sure that the quality of the products is also good. Number 4, focus on achieving repeatable success. Okay, this is, out of the three, probably the most important factor that will determine whether you can come out of this quarantine with the mindset to be an e-com millionaire. You need to be focusing on achieving repeatable success. Okay, what do I mean by that? You need to be developing systems. I've mentioned this before. Systems are what will allow you to scale beyond your one-man army or one-woman army, right? You need to identify which activity contributes most to your bottom line at the end of the day, right? As a business owner, we do a whole bunch of activities in the dropshipping business. We're doing product research, we're designing product creatives for ads, we're doing website design, we're doing customer service with emails and Facebook, and of course we're managing ads on the Facebook Ads Manager, right? So some of the key core activities that you're doing currently as a dropshipping business owner. Now, which of these, you need to think for yourself and identify which of these contributes most to your bottom line, right? Think of it as the 80-20 rule. In any business, 20% of the activities are actually the cause of 80% of your revenues and success. So really make it a point right now to identify what that 20% of activities are and develop systems to make that a repeatable success story. As an example, if you feel product research is your key factor that is the biggest contributor to your success, then develop a system. Try to develop a system and learn from your old mistakes and successes on what works and doesn't work. Develop a repeatable system that you can teach to people that you may hire later on to do that for you, so it becomes a repeatable, scalable process that anybody can learn who is hired by you, right? So this is, I would say, emphasize again, is the most important aspect that can help you in the long term to achieve the goal of becoming an e-com millionaire. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, make sure you drop us a like. Comment below on what you liked about it the most. Any major things you felt I missed out on, or if you think any major thing that can add to this list of 4, make sure you let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.